Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosos Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Also don't forget to smash the like button. Kanzali country Vuyokazi shows off her new body. Alebeka yikuthi alapheteki so ufake before wafaka ne after ke washo nje ukuthi it's gonna be a long journey, but ijourney lokumnanzi ukuthi ithomile iqalile and ibody yini lidiya body lidiya simbonile guys ukuthi sokunefika ugirl tibona ukuthi ithe yaka ayiwando njani utirelo la khona because ngibonile ukuthi boma last week beka post video lapha ku TikTok and people are complaining about weight yakhe saying ukuthi yo girl ave ustofuza because that ukuthi unejealous ngavuyokazi like we're just asking ourselves ukuthi unjani ugirl mhlambe naye tomlandzela kugela lapha eTurkey but lapha like kuyakhokhwa lapha you need to pay, like you need to have a mula and kuyakhombisa ukuthi uvuyokazi imali into alanayo because yambona ukuthi ugirl qhashe mi kulamalanga impilo yakhe as just flourishing. Yabona nje kuphuma lapha endlini leyilo ngeke lokwenda ukuthi ugirl aphumelele kwamkhanyela indoda akayekele kubhiza hlili laphana lapha endlini leyilo lapha eMzumbe. So siyambona nje ukuthi ugirl impilo yakhe shame it's flourishing and siyamjabulela siyamthanda. We're just happy for Uvuyokazi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. Mina sengihembe.